Hi everyone. This video covers the new references we've put in here. Now, if you're using the new customer order picking system where the slips are printed through to a page, you'll see this, otherwise you'll have just what there was before. If you'd like to get this new system, which we'll cover a bit here with this, just email support and we'll add you to the list and your interface will change. So when you're doing a customer order, instead of a line reference here, in fact, just to make this more sensible, I'll put another book on this story. So with customer orders in this interface, you can obviously search for many at a time. So because there's no line reference or space for line references on every line, there's no point to have a line reference that covers all items here. So what we have is now order reference, which covers all the books in the order, and then order notes. The basic difference between order reference and notes is that the order reference is really for the customer. The customer would give you this, or you may use it. And notes are internal, so this displays on things that you would give to customers, while this is internal. There's also a deposit reference, which is related to the payment, but we're not sure if this would actually be used very often, but are leaving that in anyway. So in here I am just doing a special order. Picking the customer. And here, order ref 1, 2, 3. And put in a note, order note 3. Put in a $10 deposit as well. DEP ref 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now if I click go here, it does the same as before. It creates the customer order and the purchase order same as before. Now, if you have a particular item in that order where you want a line note, you can still do it by just clicking on the customer order here. So let's say there's a particular case about this. Now, just before I leave here, you can see the order reference is sitting here in the order note. And now what you can actually do is just edit it right here by clicking on it. So if we put AA on that, and it saves as you go. So this is a really nice little addition that we might add to other places as we go along. The old style is this one here, line note 1, 2, 3, and then you have to click update on that one. So this new system I think is a lot more efficient and could be really well used in item notes actually, so we might consider that when we have some time. So there's all the possible references and notes you can have on an order. So where does this show? So if you're printing that A4 receipt or the actual small receipt, you'll get it here. So you see reference, order reference 1, 2, 3 there. If you click on the A4, it's the same. Your order reference here 1, 2, 3 AA now because I edited it, but you see that the notes aren't here, so they're considered internal for you. Right, I'll just open. It's just actually opened in the same page, so if you want it to be a new one, you can open a new tab to keep it, otherwise just go back like I did. So the other part of this is when an inwards goods, when the goods actually arrive in. So right, so if I pick one of these, just okay, so it's a bunch of stuff in here. So get rid of that one. So I think I'll grab this. Search. Okay, so I'm not sure if I have to say that or not. Let's just try it without it. So we've got our customer orders here now. Click on print slips. Now, as I said, if you're not getting this and want it, just email support and we'll add you to the list. So now, in here in the printable version, you will see here's my reference at the top, 123 AA. You have a line note on the line for the item that has a line note, and then you have your customer order notes at the bottom. So you can work out how you would like to use all of those as appropriate for your store. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.